Guess the Italian Brainrot AI animals. Ready to start who's our first character? Who do you think it is? And the answer is number 6.
Sigma boy. Sigma.
Next challenge for you, only 5% of you can like this video and subscribe before time runs out. Can you figure it out? Absolutely, it's number 16.
Trallallero trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah. Ero con il mio fottuto figlio merdardo a giocare.
Who's the character? Well done, that's number 5.
A boba. Tortughini dragon frittini.
Who's this character? That's number 1.
Udin din 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 dun, madin din din dun. Merupakan sosok jeruk yang memiliki mata dan mulut.
Would you rather have or show your choice, subscribe or like? Let us know your answer in the comments. Recognize this character? It's number 10.
Chivito bandito, l'assassino della frutta. Danger! Kill!
What character do you think this is? Who do you think it is? It's number 11.
Ecco a voi, Pussinni Suscinni e il leggendario Gattinni Wasabinni.
How about this one? It's number 4.
Boneka Ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang banyak meresahkan masyarakat akhir-akhir ini.
Can you guess the monster? Who do you think it is? Bingo, it's number 14.
Frigo Camelo buffo fardello nel centro della città.
Can you guess who this is? Who do you think it is? Yes, this is number 9.
Ballerino Lololo. Ballerino Lololo, frappè muscoloso, danza leggero.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess who this is? It's number 15.
Bom. Tigrulini watermelini. Arrar.
Recognize this character? Who do you think it is? It's number 12.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi. È la moglie.
Rate the hybrid of
Ombra calma c'hai maestro, spirito caldo, cuore leggero.
Rate in the comments with an emoji. Next up, it's number 8.
Matteooo!
What character do you think this is? Who do you think it is? And the answer is number 3.
Treno struzzo turbo 3000, cara struzzo, treno sui trilare, occhio sbarrato maggio.
Next up, who do you think it is? It's number 2.
Top Toby, top top Toby, top top Toby top. Bukanlah unta biasa.
Who's the character? It's number 7.
Elefantucci, Bananucci. Wah, wah, wah. Bananelli, elefant.
Can you figure it out? Absolutely, it's number 13.
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda i bambini.